Rome, a beautiful city with many layers to explore. It will be impossible to see and experience everything this amazing city has to offer in one visit, but here are 10 tips and tricks to maximize your first time to the Eternal City. The best months to visit Rome are April and May, or September and October. The weather is more pleasant during these months, and the city has fewer tourists during the busier and more brutal summer months. Every first-timer should experience the classic sights of Rome, like the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Spanish Steps, the Pantheon, the Trevi Fountain, and so many more. For sites that require tickets to enter, it's always smart to purchase ahead so you don't have to spend all of your trip waiting in lines. I also recommend purchasing a 24 or 48-hour hop-on, hop-off pass. This gives you access to a double-decker bus that will take you around the city, passing right by these classics. The best part, you can hop off, visit the must-see location, and then hop on to the next one. Buses run several times an hour, avoiding the need for a taxi or car rental fee. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the city. When visiting the classic destinations of Rome, timing is everything. For the Colosseum and other attractions, it's best to go when the doors first open or 1 to 2 hours before closing time. Crowds are significantly smaller, giving you an opportunity to experience your destination with a little more freedom. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, but it is packed with so much to see. When visiting, come early and with a ticket. Look for ticket options that fit your interests. Some tour operators even offer tickets with breakfast along with access to the Vatican Museum. You'll get a buffet breakfast and early access, a win-win for sure. Save some energy to explore Rome at night. The city lights are enchanting and showcase the splendor of the architecture in an unforgettable way. When visiting classic sites, don't eat at restaurants near the major sites. Instead, walk a few streets away to avoid being overcharged. Wear comfortable shoes, bring a reusable water bottle, and remember to check dress codes, as most churches and other sites may not allow you to enter if you're wearing shorts or if your shoulders are uncovered. Rome is approximately 496 square miles. Although it has plenty of public transportation options, don't miss an opportunity to stroll through the streets of Rome. You may just stumble upon its hidden gems that take your breath away. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more travel gold.